Yeah, hello, my girlfriend, please. I'm back here and I'm so excited. Sometimes, when I'm excited making videos, I feel like jumping up and down, right? And that's why today we are going to get into a sneak peek of the groove video. That, as I told you on another video, that's one of the apps that I was so excited on because I've tried to host my videos on YouTube, but I've not tried teaching courses and selling courses while I'm hosting my videos on YouTube or Vimeo. I've not tried that, and I'm cool. I'm like, patience pays. I've been waiting because I wanted a safe place. I wanted to use WordPress, but I didn't go forward. Social Engine had videos, so you know the story of Social Engine, right? Also, I tried ClickFunnels. It didn't have a place to put videos, and so we could only put on YouTube and then like tag them on ClickFunnels. But now, GrooveFunnels, they have videos, and I'm so passionate about videos. So anyway, hope you're going to like. Let me show you a sneak peek. I've only put one video there, but they have a lot to come. Like on the 18th of October, they will have updates about the Groove video. I don't know whether it will be all complete. We are still in beta, but they are launching it on the between the 6th and the 18th of October. So I hope that by 18th of October there will be updates of Groove video. But let me turn the screen and show you a sneak peek of the Groove video. I have one video there, so let's go see it. Yeah, so today we are talking about Groove video. So let's go back to our chat. So Groove video, if you hear about video, I know you're thinking already about YouTube, about Vimeo, and here they are showing an example with Vimeo. I've never used the paid account with Vimeo, so here apparently it's 240 per year. Okay, it doesn't sound very expensive, but I guess it's also have some plans depending on how much video do you have. So yeah, so you see, so Vimeo 240 per year, and so for how many years can you get to have this amount? Calculate that. It's like almost 6 times. But you see, Groove video, you have Groove video for life, and Groove video is going also to be for the free members. They have a little part of Groove video, and I don't remember it's up to how many gigas. Yeah, and then if you use more of that, then you pay more. So I guess something like that. So I'm going to come more on details about this when I'll be showing you when I shoot videos and when I'll understand more about the way it's working. But also the free members, they have this, right? And the free members, they have a bit of everything, but in a lighter mode, right? Yeah, so Groove video compared with Vimeo or Wistia or YouTube, right? Yeah, so let's go to Groove and let me show you. We go to Groove video. I guess I've put one video, but I've not yet put it on a page or somewhere. I wanted to use it for the membership, but they've not yet brought it to the membership area. So yeah, so this is video. This is the home dashboard, and the videos. I guess I put one video. Yeah, I remember I put one video. So I have this one video there, and integrations. I've not. I guess I have to sign up for an S3 integration. I guess this is something to do with Amazon, right? S3 integration. I've not yet done that. Some things I'm just learning them. Yeah, I didn't know about all that. So yeah, so videos. So okay, so you've seen about integrations, right? So I have not much stuff to show you about this because I've not yet created this kind of account, S3 integration. Yeah, so videos, I created one video, and then if I want to add another video, I come here and I say add video. I give it a name, and then I add a description, and then I create like, for example, create video. Let's say I'm going to give it Groove Funnels video. Okay, tutorial. tutorial about groove video. Okay, and then you come, you create, and then what's good about this, it's going to be amazing. So you see I've given it name, so I upload, so I click here and then it's going to take me to my computer, or I can drag and drop here. So I don't know whether I have a video that I can show you about. Oh yeah, new dance episodes every Monday. What's this video? It's about my event 2020 Entrepreneur Evolve, all your business in one place. So cool, we can add that one. So as I add that one, so you see the display, has it uploaded? Upload video. So it's uploading video, so you have to wait. Once it finishes, it's going to come here. And then what happens is that you see you're going to be able to add on your videos call to action, end action, settings, and display. This is going to be crazy because so it's encoding, so it's working. So display, you see, so here I have either responsive or fixed. Okay, settings, so processing complete, your video has been uploaded. Cool, so my video is here. So settings, whether splash image or logo watermark, if I want to add, so you can choose your image and add it. Show controls, mute on start, you can mute on start, so people click to play, or you can leave it and it plays automatically, right? So I want to leave it like that. Select skin color. Okay, this button here, you see it's changing the color, white, red, you see? Yeah, so let's leave it green. I love green. So autoplay on load, if you want it to, so mute on start. I don't know whether mute on start. I don't know why you want to mute it on start. I don't want to mute it on start. Anyway, autoplay here, it's here. If I want it to play immediately, people come to this page, it plays immediately. Or if I don't want, I won't leave that. I prefer leaving it off because sometimes you come to our website, the video starts playing and you're not even ready to listen, right? So it's good to leave it like that. Show overlay title, so that's so cool. You can add an overlay title on top here, which is very attractive to people. If you put a strong title, so you can put here on, and then you can put an overlay title like, let's say, Entrepreneur Evolve. And so I don't know whether it has put that. Then call to action, new call to action. You currently don't have CTAs added on this video, so new call to action. So I have to create a form. You can put a banner, text overlay with click. So I guess the other one I chose this one. I can't remember. But anyway, we can say text overlay, and then we say this one, and at what time do you want your text to, the overlay to be shown, you see? So we can say here still Entrepreneur Evolve. Well, I'm not so creative while doing this. Hyperlink these things. So if you want to hyperlink it so people can click directly, you can put the URL there. But for now, I don't have one. And then you create, and then here you have to put the seconds that you want your overlay to be shown, right? And then they have not. So maybe I can put maybe at 6 seconds, so that maybe it can work at 6 seconds until 12 seconds. So, and then I create. And then it's allowing. Yeah, so it's loading. So I've not yet uploaded so many videos, but I know I'm going to love this thing. And then you save, and then you can put an end action if you want. Just end the video, or do you want to loop the video from beginning? I guess just end the video, okay? And save and exit. So here is our video, and you see it's there. So edit video, if you want to watch it, and then we can watch it. You see the overlay, it's here, Entrepreneur Evolve. Okay, I didn't change much, I just wrote the same thing, so we've not seen the difference. But if you realize this one came 6 seconds in, the one down here, it came 6 seconds in. No, oh, it has come on the because this video is very short, it's only 6 seconds, so I put 6 seconds while the video lasts only 6 seconds, so I could have put it on the front. So it's easy. You come and call to action, overlay, text overlay, actions. How do I edit this? New call to action, text overlay, next. I say from 1 second. Oh, from 1 second. It ends at 5 seconds. Subscribe. We have to see it working, you know. Create. So let's see whether it works. Subscribe. You see it has come. Yeah, so you see it has come at 1 second. So it's so cool. So you see it's working, and then you save and exit, and then you go. So this other one, I had done it also, but I guess it's not yet over. I've not yet finished. These are the reviews. So I've not yet finished working on it. But that's all about the videos. So see you on the next video, right? We are doing just sneak peeks. So have you seen the video, right? You've seen it, the group video. So do you have videos to host? Do you want to make a course or something? Share your videos, put them on your landing pages. You see like we are having everything. Right now we've seen Groove member, we've seen Groove pages, we've seen Groove sell, we've seen what else? We've seen the infographic, we've seen the Groove affiliate and the marketplace. And all those, you can share all those doing a video like this, because people want to see visuals right now. Actually, videos, they're the ones that are converting so fast, because like 80% on the content that is being shared right now on the internet is video. So you have to start loving videos, because that's where the world is going, right? So that's it. So see you on another video for another sneak peek, and I guess just a few remaining, and then you are done. So get your free version if you've not gotten it already, and you're on this video, go get it on www.groovefriend.com or www.entrepreneurevolve.com, because I said as entrepreneurs we are evolving. And some of you, if you get in right now before the 18th of October, I'm going to invite you a free ticket to the Entrepreneur Evolve event that's going to happen on November. So stay tuned. And even if you don't get the if you're watching this video later, when the launch is already done on the 18th of October, just contact me. Just follow www.entrepreneurevolve.com. That's where I'm going to be hosting the events, or maybe making other landing pages with that domain name. Because now if you own a domain name, you can direct it in any pages in the group panels. It's so exciting. Yeah, so anyway guys, let me leave it there so that it's not going to be so long. Yeah, I can keep on talking when it comes to video, so you can see that energy and that spirit of video, right? Yeah, anyway, see you on another video.